Hey everyone, welcome to our video on finding the equation of a tangent line. Now, we have done this before with longer problems, but now we've got a way to do the derivative portion faster. So it's the same process. If you're going in order of all those videos, this is the same process that we've had before. So let's break it down. So find the equation of the line tangent to this function at x equals 2. Okay, so step one, I want to find the derivative. All right, so looking at this, our f of x, let me just go ahead and write f of x right here still. There it is. Okay, and so we can find this derivative pretty easily, so we'll just use our rules. So f prime of x, the derivative of 4x is just 4 because this is a linear term. And then our second one, the 2 would times the 0.5, which would give us 1. So that 2 multiplies that. And then minus 1 from the power would be just 1 again. And I don't really need to show those 1s, so let's write this as, let's just put it over here. So our f prime of x is really just 4 minus x. Okay, so that is the derivative. Okay, but we need to keep going with it. So we want the slope of the tangent, so we need to get imtan. Okay, so that's really kind of step 1a. And then step 1b, let's get imtan by evaluating the derivative at whatever value they want us to. So in this problem, they say use 2. And so we'll do 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, so that is our imtan. So imtan at x equals 2 is 2. Imtan, I just wrote x equals 2. Imtan at x equals 2. So that's a coincidence that they are the same. It is just based on plugging it in. Okay, so the imtan at x equals 2 is 2. All right, so so step 1's done. Step 2, let's get the point. So the point is use your original function and plug in the x value into that. So I want to do just f of 2 into my 4 times 2 minus the 0.5 times 2 squared. Okay, and then now it's order of operations. We'll simplify. So this is just f of 2 equals, it looks like it's 8 minus 0.5 times 4. And then all of this would simplify. Let's write it as 8 minus 0.5 times 4. So half of 4 is 2. And we can see that this gives us 6. And so what we get out of this is our point. When x is 2, our y-coordinate is 6. Okay, and that's usually where we use this as x1 and y1. Okay, so we have our slope, we have our points, and then our third step is to just use the equation. Okay, so our third step is the equation of a line, which is our y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And then so we'll plug those in. So our imtan is 2. So that's going to go there. And then our x1 goes here, and our y1 will go here. Okay, and just make sure you're careful and put those in the right spot. Okay, and I kind of squeeze myself out of my space here, so I'm going to put it right next to it. So y minus y1, so y minus 6 is imtan, which is 2, times x minus x1, which is 2. And then we'll simplify. So I have y minus 6 equals the 2 distributes. I'd have 2x minus 4. And then the last step would be just to add the 6 over. So plus 6, and then we've got, okay, so sorry, my work I wrote this too big, sorry. And then we have y equals, okay, so the 6 got added. I'd have 2x, and then minus 4 plus 6 is plus 2. There we go. Okay, so that's our equation of the line tangent to that x value for our graph. At this point, we are done. I'm going to go ahead and show a picture real quick with my graphing calculator. I'm just going to plot those. So we have 4x minus 0.5 x squared And then I wanted to do the 2x plus 2. So that's our two things there. And just to show the picture, there it is. Okay, so notice there's the 2, 6 that they shared, and so that shows, yeah, it looks good. So you can quickly graph to verify that it is the equation. It should only go through that point. They should both only go through that point. So the blue curve and the red curve, that's the only one shared point that they have right now. And there it is. All right, that's it. Okay, so that was just a quick visual. Okay, so I'm going to pause. This is a little bit different. This has a different variety to it, so I'm going to pause and do that separately. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, thank you for watching.